If you look at my screen now, you see that I've made over 55,000 naira from this particular app. Well, that is why I'm here today to show you app that pays real money in Nigeria, where you are going to be making at least 800 naira every minute by using this particular app, by referring people to this app. And that app is a very wonderful app. All I urge you is to stick around from the beginning to the end of this video, because I've tried this and I found out that it is working, and that's why I've come to share my experience in this video. Please make sure that as you are waiting, that you're going to give this video a thumbs up if you're getting something from it. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn off the bell notification, and make sure that you're going to share this video to your family and friends. Now let's go straight to the point. Now if you look at this place now, this app, there are so many things you can do on this app. You can pay, you can also pay to bank, you can withdraw, you can buy airtime, you can buy data, you can do betting, you can do TV subscription, and there are so many other things. Now there are two major things we'll be considering from this app today. The first one is the one we call O Wealth, and the other one is Referrer. That's under this O Wealth we have the rewards and also the referrer. Now the referrer is the major thing that will be paying you 800 naira each time somebody signs up using your referral link. Now if you come down here, if you click on this refer and earn, it's going to open up and you look at the instruction here. It says refer and earn. Invite one new user, get 800 naira. Your friend can get 1,200 naira welcome bonus each time the person signs up to using your referral link. I'm going to be putting this link on the description of this video. Please make sure that you're going to use the description, and the referral link you'll be using, the code you'll be using for your sign up is going to be the code I'll be showing in the description of this video. Now what you need to do here is this: once you share your link, that's the first thing there, your friends accept the invite and your friend add money. The person will go to Play Store, Google Play Store or Apple Store to download this app. The app is an OPay app. An OPay app can help you to transfer money, can help you to buy TV subscription. It can help you for so many other things. But the most important thing we're looking at today is this refer and earn. Now, if somebody who signs up with your referral link, the person needs to add money to his OPay account, and the OPay account is the phone number. Once you sign up with your phone number, you're going to get an account number very unique to you. What you need to do here is this: once you share that your referral link, the person, that your friend or your family and your family member who accepts, need to first of all send 2,000 naira to that account that he or she has signed up with. Because once you sign up, you're going to get an account number, so you need to fund your account with 2,000. And once the person funds the account with his or her with 2,000 naira, you that refer him or her, you are going to get 800 naira instantly. And imagine if you're able to refer about 10 people in a day. Imagine how much you can be earning in a day. That is the first point of earning money from this website. The second part there is this place that you have rewards. Then on a daily basis, if you look at this place that is said daily bonus, each day you come here, if you click on this daily bonus, you are going to get different amount of money. Like today, I've already gotten my own. That is the 3 naira. Tomorrow I'm going to get 3 naira. Next tomorrow I'm going to get 3 naira. Next one I'm going to get 3 naira. Then on the 5 I'll get 100 naira. Then on the 6 2 naira, the 7 2 naira, and so on the 20 again I'm going to get another 200 naira today. So what you need to do, once you just click on that reward, come and click on earn more cashback. Once you click on earn more cashbacks, you are going to get your own reward for that very day. Please make sure you don't fail this particular, because every 5 days you're going to be getting 100 naira. Every 5 days you're going to be getting 100 naira in a month. And you can also be getting free voucher and free data in your account. So other bonuses that you have here, you have airtime bonus for different mobile operators in Nigeria. So please make sure that you are going to sign up with this app immediately. Go to your app store, download it, then start sharing your link to your family and friends so that you're going to be earning money as quickly as possible. Please, if you have gotten any value from this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you share it among your family and friends. Thanks you for watching. See you in my next video.